How to read a decimal. We use decimals to measure small amounts and tiny sizes, like the length of a ladybug. That's about 0 and 6/10 of a centimeter. Some ants are even smaller. The smallest ants are about 0 and 75 thousandths of a centimeter. Decimals may seem hard to read, but hey, guess what? If you can read numbers like these and know decimal place values, you can read any decimal with ease. Here are some useful things to know. Decimal places are to the right of the decimal point, and each place represents a special fraction: tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, and so on. Decimal places mirror whole number places across the ones: tens and tenths, hundreds and hundredths, thousands and thousandths. Notice the TH at the end of each decimal place name. A decimal number has 3 parts: a whole number, a decimal point, and a fractional part. To read a decimal, start from the left. Read the part before the decimal point. At the decimal point, say "and", then read the number after the decimal point. To finish, say the name of the place of the final digit. Let's try it together. Ready? 2 and 53 hundredths. So wait, how can we read this decimal? You're right. Start from the left. Read the whole number part. At the decimal point, say "and". Read the number after the decimal point, and then name the place of the last digit. Are you ready? 4 and 875 thousandths inches. You did it! Now here is a decimal that's less than 1. You can tell because there's a 0 in the ones place. You try it. You're right. 0 and 6/10. What are some other things we can measure with decimals? What about the diameter of the lead in your pencil? That's about this fraction of an inch thick. Try reading it on your own. Now check yourself. That's 0 and 394 ten-thousandths of an inch. That's pretty small. Let's practice. That's 3 and 4/10 inches. That's 2 and 25 hundredths inches. That's 0 and 375 thousandths of an inch. Good job! See, when you know how, reading decimals can be easy.